To set Google stories about your interest, lock screen notifications as don't show notifications in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, select the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services. Scroll down screen, and then tap settings for Google Apps. Select search, assistant and voice, and then tap notifications. Tap notifications again, and then scroll down screen. Tap stories about your interest. If you cannot find stories about your interest menu, you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen. Tap stories about your interest. Select lock screen, and then tap don't show notifications. Now stories about your interest notification, lock screen set as don't show notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.